Up, and away. We're headed to LA. Our first stop was the rooftop by JG. So you all check out this lovely elevator. It has mirrors on both sides. It's very spacious, elegant. Yes.
My girl. Jessica. Tyler. Oh, you're so pretty.
It's the birthday girl for me.
Y'all check out this $50 salmon. So my friends wanted to do a TikTok dance, so I told them to find something easy, and here we are.
Mirror.
Hey, y'all. Just about to get my makeup done. Erin gonna pick me up. Birthday girl. I know, right? I'm feeling 26. Hair did. Makeup did.
So check out these beautiful mountains that you can find all over LA. Just a nice scenery to just stop and enjoy. Next stop, Malibu Beach. So check out the beautiful birthday girl. Got those pink balloons and that ocean water looking fabulous. Now it's time to go to the Hollywood sign. There's nothing like walking and enjoying fresh breaths of air. What's your favorite place to go to just go walking and just enjoy nature? Leave it in the comment section below.
From the rooftops to the hills.
From the rooftop to the hills, baby.
So here you see that I'm zooming in so that you all can see the Hollywood sign, and also check out this view of the city.
All in my video, Jess.
Can you guess where I'm headed to next? Foothill Restaurant located in Pasadena, California. So here's their menu, and they have some awesome food at phenomenal great prices. You all have to check them out next time you're in Pasadena.
Did you get outside to hear that?
Next stop, Eaton Canyon. So once you arrive, park your car and get to stepping.
I'll come out here then move.
So we're at Eaton Canyon and we're walking, baby. We're walking. The sound of that gushing water is so refreshing, don't you think?
Jessica, hello. Yeah, me too.
We made it. If you love pizza, make sure to stop at Blaze Pizza. Yeah. I got the pepperoni sausage with the onions for the toppings. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe.